Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Palo Alto Networks Prisma Certified Cloud Security Engineer exam and explain what to study and why. The exam is organized into 6 domains with precise weightings and learning goals. Cloud Security Posture Management or CSPM is 25%. Cloud Workload Protection or CWP is 25%. Cloud Network Security is 15%. Cloud Code Security is 15%. Cloud Identity and Data Security is 10%, and Prisma Cloud Administration is 10%. The combined estimated learning time is 69 hours and the assessments include conceptual, scenario-based, and hands-on elements to validate practical skills. Cloud Security Posture Management, CSPM, is 25% and focuses on identifying and remediating misconfigurations and compliance violations across multi-cloud environments. You will learn asset inventory and visibility, including asset discovery, resource inventory and configuration metadata, how to differentiate resource types and providers, and how to review resource history and configuration changes. The syllabus covers Prisma Cloud policies, from built-in policy types like config, network and audit event to custom RQL-based policies, policy severity and notification settings, and the distinction between run and build policies. You will also study compliance mapping to standards like CIS and NIST, generating compliance reports, and alert management workflows for manual and automated remediation. Cloud Workload Protection, CWP, is 25% and focuses on securing hosts, containers and serverless functions throughout the application lifecycle. Expect to learn the workload protection architecture, including console and Defender communication, Defender types for host, container and serverless, deployment models, upgrades and connectivity requirements. Vulnerability management is a major topic, covering image and pipeline scanning, interpreting CVE data and risk scores, applying vulnerability policies and blocking rules, and securing vulnerable serverless functions. Runtime protection and workload compliance are also covered, teaching behavioral baselines, runtime security policies, file system and syscall monitoring, incident response actions, and enforcing Docker and Kubernetes CIS benchmarks. Cloud Network Security is 15% and focuses on visualizing and enforcing network security controls and microsegmentation in the cloud. You will learn to use the Cloud Network Analyzer to visualize traffic paths, identify overly permissive security groups, and trace paths from the Internet to internal resources while detecting anomalous traffic patterns. Identity-based microsegmentation is included, with concepts of identity-based security, configuring microsegmentation policies, analyzing service-to-service traffic, and applying zero-trust principles. The domain also covers network policies and enforcement for Prisma Cloud, monitoring ingress and egress violations, investigating incidents, and integrating with cloud-native network controls. Cloud Code Security is 15% and focuses on securing infrastructure as code and the software supply chain. The curriculum covers IAC scanning for Terraform, CloudFormation and Helm, integrating scanning into developer workflows, analyzing scan results and configuring build time policies and thresholds. You will also learn VCs and CI/CD integrations, connecting Prisma Cloud to GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket, configuring CI/CD plugins, and managing repository settings and pull request blocking. Supply chain security topics include identifying vulnerabilities in open source dependencies, analyzing SBOMs, detecting secrets in code, and assessing pipeline integrity and dependency graphs. Cloud Identity and Data Security is 10% and focuses on managing permissions, identity risk and sensitive data protection. In IAM Security or SIEM you will analyze net-effective permissions, identify overprivileged accounts and roles, investigate IAM-related alerts, configure governance policies, and review identity risk scores and recommendations. Data security and DLP topics teach discovery of sensitive data in cloud storage like S3 and Azure blobs, configuring DLP profiles, monitoring public exposure, analyzing data classification results, and implementing remediation actions. This domain is scenario-based and emphasizes practical investigation and policy configuration. Prisma Cloud Administration is 10% and focuses on configuring and managing the Prisma Cloud platform and integrations. You will learn cloud account onboarding for AWS, Azure and GCP, How to configure read-only versus read-write permissions, manage organization onboarding, verify account health and configure account groups. The administration section also covers users, roles and RBAC, integrating with SSO and SAML identity providers, auditing administrative activity, and enforcing console access restrictions such as IP controls. That wraps up the syllabus overview. Study the topics in each domain, balance conceptual reading with hands-on practice, and use the estimated hours to plan your study schedule. Good luck and prepare smart for the Prisma Certified Cloud Security Engineer exam.